Hi my dear students, today we are going to talk about unit 7. We will start with multiplication strategies. Okay, let's see the main meaning of multiplication. We know that the main meaning of multiplication is repeated addition. If we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it means 2 repeated. Yes, how many times? It's repeated 4 times, so we can say 2 times 4. So 4 here is the number of repetition. Okay, let's start with the strategies of multiplication. If we have 23 times 5, we can solve it by base 10 block or area model. Base 10 block 23 times 5, we must determine the ones and tens in the biggest number. 23, 3 as ones and 2 as tens. So 23 here we have 3 as ones and 2 as 10. We can represent 2 tens by these two rectangles. Okay, so these two rectangles represent 2 tens. But 2 tens repeated how many times? Repeated 5 times. So we are going to draw these 2 tens 5 times. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and we can represent ones by small squares. How many ones we have? We have 3 ones. So this is 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. Okay. Repeated how many times? 5 times. 3. Okay. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So here is 100. Plus, how many ones we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. So the answer is 115. Okay, this is the first method or first strategy to find the multiplication. Okay, area model. If we have 23 times 5, okay, we must decompose the biggest number. We know that 23 is 20 and 3. And let's draw the rectangle and divide the rectangle into houses according to the number of houses of the biggest number. So the biggest number has how many houses here? We have 1 and 10, so we have 2 houses. So this is the 2 houses. The long side represent the biggest number, 23, and the short side represent the smallest number, 5. And this is length and this is width. Okay, we know that area of rectangle equal length times width. So, and we divide the houses. So this is house of 20 and this is house of 3, and we will multiply to find the area. 20 times what? Times 5, and 3 times 5. 20 times 5 equal 100. 3 times 5 equal 15. So the answer will be 115. Did you get the idea? Okay, let's see the other strategies. The distributive property. The distributive property. Okay, let's see. If we have number like 238 times 5, we must decompose the number. We must decompose the number. Okay, let's decompose. It will be 200 plus 30 plus 8. So it will be 200 plus 30 plus 8 times 5. This is the decomposing, and I want to distribute. The distribution means each one in this bracket will multiply by 5. So 200 times 5 plus 30 times 5 plus 8 times 5. 200 times 5, kick out zeros, it will be 1000. 30 times 5, kick out 0, and 3 times 5 equal 15, it will be 150, plus 8 times 5 equal 40. Let's add 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 4 plus 5 equal 9, and 1, so it will be 1190. So distributive property, first step decompose, second step distribute. Okay, example 1642 times 6. Let's decompose as first. It will be 1000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 2 times 6. 1000 times 6 plus 600 times 6 plus 40 times 6 plus 2 times 6. 1000 times 6 equal 6000. 600 times 6 equal 3600. 40 times 6 equal 240. 2 times 6 equal 12. So the answer will be 9852. Okay, let's find the fourth strategy, partial product algorithm. Partial product algorithm. Partial product algorithm. You must know the name of the strategies. We talk about base 10 block, area model, and distributive property, and now we are going to talk about partial product algorithm. Okay, in partial product algorithm, we will write the multiplication in form vertically. Okay, like this. 1642 times 6, we are going to put it like this, under each other, and start. We said before we must decompose the number. Okay, we have two methods to decompose or to use partial product. One, when I start with ones, and when I start with thousand. Let's see. If I start with ones, 2 times 6, it will be 12. Here we are going to multiply times 4 or 40. Yes, 40. We said decompose. It will be 40 times 6. It will be 240. 600 times 6. It will be 3600. 1000 times 6. It will be 6000. And add. We must be organized. Ones under ones under ones. Tens under tens. Hundreds under hundreds. Thousand under thousand. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal 2. 1 plus 4 equal 5. 2 plus 6 equal 8. 3 plus 6 equal 9. Okay, let's see the other. 1642 times 6. Okay, we are going to start with 1000. Okay, 1000 times 6 equal 6000. 600 times 6 equal 3600. 40 times 6, 240. And 2 times 6 equal 12. And add, it will be 9852. Okay, the fifth strategy is standard multiplication algorithm. Standard multiplication algorithm. Standard multiplication algorithm, like 1642 times 6. Okay, we are going to start from ones. 2 times 6. 2 times 6. 2 times 6 equal, yes, 12. 2 and carry up 1. We can write the whole number. We can write 12. We can write ones and carry up the tens. Then, here we are going to multiply by tens, right? 4 here is 10. So start the second line with 0 because 10 has 1 0. Okay, so 4 times 6 equal 24, and we have 1 up, it will be 25. Can I put all 25? No, 5 and carry up 2. Then we are going to multiply the hundreds. So hundreds, how many zeros? 2 zeros. So start the third line with 2 zeros. 0 0. Then 6 times 6, yes, 36, plus 2. 36 plus 2 equal, yes, 38. Can I put 38? No, we will put 8 and carry up 3. And we are going to multiply 1000. So we are going to put the fourth line with 3 zeros. Yes, put the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and 1 times 6 equals 6, plus 3 equal 9, and add 2 plus 0 plus 0, 2, 5 plus 0, 5, 8 plus 0, 8, 9, down. Okay, let's take another example. 114 times 4. This is standard multiplication algorithm. Okay, let's start. 4 times 4 equal 16. Can I put whole 16? No. 6 and carry up 1. And I will multiply the tens. So we are going to start the second line with 0. Put 0. And 1 times 4 equal, yes, 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. Okay, here we are going to multiply hundreds. So we are going to start with 2 zeros. 8 times 4 equals 32. Okay, and add 6, 5, 2, 3. The renaming strategy. Let's see. 1642 times 6. 6 times 2 equal, yes, 12. 2 and carry up 1. 6 times 4, 24, plus 1 equal 25. We can put 5. 25 whole 25? No, we will put 5 and carry up 2. 6 times 6 equal 36, plus 2 equal 38. 8 and carry up 3, yes. 6 times 1 equal 6, plus 3 equal 9. This is the renaming strategy. Okay, let's see another one. 1543 times 5. Okay, we are going to start with 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 and carry up 1. 5 times 4 equal 20, plus 1, 21. 1 and carry up 2. 5 times 5, 25, plus 2, 27. 7 and carry up 2. 5 times 1, 5, plus 2, yes, 7. We have also rounding estimation and the front end estimation. If we have 148 times 7, rounding to nearest tens, it will be 150 times 7. It will be 1050. Here, front end estimation, it will be 100 times 7 equals 700, and the actual answer is 1036. So in rounding estimation, we will find that the rounding is greatest than the number, and in front end estimation we can find that the actual answer is greater than the front end estimation. Let's see how can we multiply two digits numbers. We have here same strategies, but we are going to start with area model strategy. If we have area model like 48 times 40, if I want to multiply 48 times 40, let's decompose. احنا قلنا انه area model must start with decomposing the number. It will be 40 and 8. Okay, and let's draw the rectangle. We have here two houses, so we are going to divide the rectangle by two houses, and here is 48 and here is 40, right? So it will be, this is the house of 40 and this is the house of 8, and 40 will multiply it by, yes, 40, and 8 will multiply also by 40. 40 times 40 equal 1600, and 8 times 40 equals 320, and the answer will be 1920. Okay, if we have 23 times 8, 18, here we must decompose both of them. Both numbers decompose the both numbers. But here why we didn't decompose the both numbers? Because here we have 0. Here we have number with 0. So if we have number with 0 or number with 10, it means we must decompose the first one or the biggest one only. Okay, here we have normal numbers without zeros, so we are going to decompose both of them. Let's decompose. It will be 20, it will be 3, and here it will be 10 and 8. And we will draw rectangle. Okay, but here we have how many houses? Yes, we have, here we have 1, 2, here we have 1, 2, so we must have rectangle with 4 houses, right? But with 4 houses like this. This is 20, and this is 3, this is 20, and this is 3, and this is 10, and this is 8. Okay, this is 20, this is 3, this is 10, this is 8. And let's start. We must multiply 20 times 10. 20 times 10. And here we equal to 100. And here we will multiply 3 times 10. 3 times 10. It will be 30. And here we will multiply 20 times 8. It will be 1160. And here we will multiply 3 times 8. It will be 24. So add 200 plus 30 plus 160 plus 24. It will be 440. Partial product algorithm of two digits number. We said before, partial product algorithm means we will multiply vertically. Like 53 times 28. We will put it 53 times 28, and let's start in multiplication. We will multiply 8 times 3 equal 24, and 8 times, yes, 50 equal 400. And here we will multiply 2 or 20. Yes, 20. We will multiply 20 because here 2 is 10, so it will be 20. 20 times 3 and 20 times 50. Okay, and add. It will be 4, 2 plus 6, 8, and 4 and 1. So the answer is 1484. Renaming strategies. Renaming strategies. Okay, let's see. 53 times 28. Put it ups and down. 53 times 28. Okay, let's start. Renaming, it's a normal. We will start once. 8 times 3 equal 24. 4 and carry up 2. 8 times 5 equal 40. 40 plus 2 equal 42. Here we will multiply two tens. So we are going to keep unit or ones with 0. Put 0 as ones. Why? Because we will multiply tens. So we are going to put 0. Never forget 0. And 2 times 3 equal 6. 2 times 5 equal 10. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 6, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. And put 1. Thank you.